everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can replace a debit card if lost or stolen on Bank of America. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, simple steps are, first of all, go ahead, open your Bank of America app, add in your user ID, type in your password, and tap on this login option and get logged. Now go ahead from this section, go ahead, tap on this option of a menu on the top left. Once I tapped on the menu, we'll get the various options. Among those options, simply go ahead to the section of Bank of America and tap on this option of manage debit card. Now you will see this kind of interface. You can see your debit card on top, and in the bottom section you do have three options, which are lock, replace, and set limits. The one we need is a replace. Now go ahead, tap on replace option. Then you will get this one particular section which shows to request authorization code. To verify identity, we need to send an authorization code to your phone for the verification and for the confirmation. Now go ahead, choose how would you like to receive it, text message or phone call. Text message would be appropriate so you can remember the code. Tap on it. And now tap on this option of send code in the bottom. Then you can see it will show you the number that where the code has been sent. All you gotta do is simply copy the code and type it in right over there and tap on this continue on button in the bottom right again. Now see, you have to simply complete the 6 steps on top as mentioned. In the third, you have to simply provide a reason why you're doing so: lost, stolen, damaged, or card not received, etc. Once you have confirmed the reason, tap on this cancel. Now you can see, did you or someone with access to your account make this transaction, or it will simply show you the list of transaction. If it is you can simply tap on this yes. If somehow it is not you, tap on this no, and you will get one extra step to follow. Now tap on this yes option in the bottom right. Now you simply have to review your details, for example your account, deliver 2 cards, fees. Once you're done, tap on this option of continue in the bottom. Once you do that, you will be able to simply replace your card with another card, and when you go back, refresh your account once again, and then you will be able to see another debit card listed instead of the previous one. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.